So I recently did my unboxing setup and just kind of running through kind of how things works really quickly on AirTags. And now I'm ready to actually put them onto my keychain. So here I have the Belkin Secure Holder with keyring. What I think is funny is that AirTags are not actually explicitly mentioned anywhere on this packaging. But anyways, I went with this one because while I really liked the Apple leather ones I had in the store, they're more expensive than the freaking AirTag itself. The AirTag is $29. I'm pretty sure they were like $35 or $39. And I'm not going to spend more on the holder for the product than I spent on the product itself. So that's why I got this one. It was $12.95, which is still pretty dang expensive for what it is, but it's kind of one of the only options you got. So I got the black one because that matches my keychain and it's kind of discreet. So let's go ahead and unbox it and put the AirTag in it. So over here I have my actual AirTag, and right here I have the Belkin Secure Holder with keyring. Let's see how the heck we go about opening this. All right, so there's a little tab, if I can only get that out. Oh, it really is little. I just said little because that's a figure of speech I like to use. But, all right, very Apple-like cardboard tab to pull out here. And there we go. On the back, you can see our instructions. 1, place there. 2, rotate, what? Yeah, we'll figure it out. Anything else in the package? Nope. No complicated regulatory information. That's it. Oh, I forgot to look at the freaking package before we opened it. So it just says secure holder with keyring. You can see it's Belkin. It's a picture of it on the front. Nothing on the top or one side. This side just says better with Belkin. Sure. Here's some general regulatory information on the bottom. And on the back it says, enjoy peace of mind. Your new device is secured and protected. It doesn't say what the device is. It never says AirTag on here. That drives me nuts. Okay, ultra secure lock and engineered for scratch protection. I guess scratch protection against the plastic. It's not going to protect against scratches on this very shiny metal here. Oh, it's already accumulating to dirt. I opened it like 10 minutes ago. Sheesh. You can see that the Belkin Secure Holder with keyring, it actually includes Secure Holder with keyring, which is a really neat bonus feature. All right, here we go. Just in the plastic here, this pops out. It's actually not a rubber like I thought. It's hard plastic, but it is a little bit thinner and sleeker than it looked on the box. So I guess that's a good thing. Here's the metal keyring to attach to your keys. And that's it. That's the packaging. So cool. I don't know if the thicker one goes on back or not, or if it matters. Okay, it looks like which other one says Belkin faces the front. Okay, cool. So I just realized there's no Apple logo on this AirTag either. I wonder if they were like wanting to use this for something else too. I don't know. So that's sliding in there. It's not like Apple's not okay with this product. It's being sold in the freaking Apple store. Okay, so that goes like that, and oh, that was shockingly simple. Can this still rotate freely in here? Yeah, it can, which means occasionally I'm gonna have to go back in here and fix it for my own sanity, get it perfectly straight. But there you go. It is completely open, so you can see the Apple logo and all of the writing and everything along with the Belkin logo. And on the other side is the white plastic. So if you did get an engraving, which you can do at the Apple store, you can get initials or an emoji engraved or something. You can still see that with this accessory. All right, so here's the key ring. I always hate using key rings, but we're going to slide this onto the key ring. Woo, woo, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah! Now this has the opportunity to go onto my keys. I'll take off this thing. That was, it was for something else I had on my keys. But I took that other thing off, and then I never took this random key ring off. Okay, now this guy's going to go on. There we go. Perfect. So I have a key on here, right here, so we can hit this metal and scratch it up. I'm not too concerned about protecting this metal because I know that just being in my pocket, it's going to get scratched up like heck. But there you go. This looks kind of messy. Can I make this look nicer? Okay, I'm not really sure if that made it any neater. It kind of did for my own sanity. But anyways, there you go. Car key, house key, and AirTag on one beautiful keychain. Okay, I've been carrying this around in my pocket for a few minutes, and I'm happy to report that my keys do not feel any bulkier in my pocket than they did before, which is good. I was a little concerned about this because on the package, it really looked like it was going to be some kind of big bulky thing, but as you can see, it's not actually. It's actually very small and sleek, about as small as sleek as it can be while still securely holding the AirTag onto your keychain. And yeah, it definitely adds a bit of heft to your keychain while you're holding it in your hand. But once you put it in your pocket and stuff, I don't think you're really going to notice. Especially if you already have a big car key fob like this. This is still going to be most of the weight and bulk in your pocket. So, all good. Well, there you go. That was a quick overview of the Belkin keyring holder for the AirTag. If you guys have any questions about this little accessory here, be sure to ask and I will answer to the best of my abilities. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video, whatever that may be.